How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can ping and test network in Packet Tracer right here. So, of course, the first thing that you want to do is to just set everything up. In my case, I have this simple network connection right here. And to ping the other device from this connection, you want to first know the IP address itself. So in our case, it's going to be this IP address right here. All you want to do is to just copy it, head over to the second device, and then you want to head over to the command prompt. It's as simple as typing ping space the IP address itself. Now, if you don't know what it is, you could just look at it once again. So .5.2 192.168.5.2. Let's hit on enter, and then it will try to ping that device. And if it basically says 000, this means that it didn't ping successfully. As you can see, my connection isn't fully connected right here. But generally, that's how you do it. You could just apply it for any other connection that you have, and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.